Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are touring the home of K. Michelle. Welcome to a home that is a modern masterpiece on Country Lane. This home features an open layout with an abundance of natural light coming from the huge windows. The builder spared no expense when it came to the details of this property. The modern kitchen features a sleek design with Viking appliances, and has a direct view into the living room. Enjoy the main level even more with an expansive deck overlooking your private backyard. The oversized master suite is jaw-dropping. The huge windows brings in an abundance of light. The master bath is truly a spa. You will never have to leave. If the master and bathroom weren't enough, you won't be disappointed by the custom wraparound closet. The space is absolutely incredible. Each guest room is ensuite with a private bath. Downstairs you will find a finished basement with a living room, bedroom, and additional bathroom. There is an unfinished portion that would be great for a movie theater, wine cellar, game room. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.